Today, we are living in a technical world. Human beings wonder that one day robots will be more powerful than us. But they should never forget that it is all in our hands, that how we develop them and how we use them. The Human Robot is a story written by Ira Saxena. Ira Saxena is a child psychologist, writer, and critic of children's books. Dr. Ira Saxena writes realistic stories and novels. Her short stories on computer crime have been very popular. She writes both in Hindi and English. She is committed to the cause of children's literature. Her award-winning books are The Virus Trap, Gajmukt Ki Talash, and Manmoji Mamaji. Main characters of the story are Ram Singh, a robot, Prem Chopra, the owner of Ram Singh, salesman at the Super Robots Plaza, and Counsel Goel. So let us start. Prem Chopra went to purchase a robot at Super Robots Plaza. He was stunned to see the robots. The salesman asked him that what sort of robot did he want. Prem Chopra was nervous because he did not want to disclose that he wanted a robot for criminal activities. The salesman himself guessed that he needed a robot for household help and showed him his best robots. Prem Chopra selected Ram Singh. The salesman told him the three principles of Ram Singh, and they were: he will always obey his master. Second, he will not harm humans. And third, he will not take harm to itself. Prem Chopra just listened to the first rule and signed the papers because he was only interested in the first rule. He wanted an accomplice in his criminal activities. Ram Singh was a better robot than other robots in the city. He had tremendous speed and was accurate. He did all sorts of things, like he could collect groceries, tend the lawn, mail the letters, relate the favorite programs on TV, etc. Prem Chopra used him for all sorts of activities. He ordered Ram Singh to collect groceries and he waited for the next command. He selected the best mangoes from the stall. Prem Chopra commanded him to pay. Ram Singh stood in the queue and paid. Prem Chopra was delighted to have Ram Singh. Prem Chopra started using Ram Singh for his illegal activities. Prem Chopra used to stand on the corner of the street and order Ram Singh. He used to steal the things like fruits, jewelry, etc. from the market. Prem Chopra used to order him not to disclose this secret to anyone, and he followed the order of his master. From expensive antiques to jewelry and precious stones, shoplifting became a common practice in the city. All the shopkeepers had a confused reaction, but once a fruit vendor noticed the bunch of Afghani grapes disappeared inside a blue metallic robot, and soon the shopkeepers recalled that all of them had seen a blue metallic robot at the site. The information reached the police headquarters. One day, Prem Chopra guided Ram Singh to Javeli Brothers to lift the precious gems. The police was ready with computerized cameras. They caught the robot red-handed. Prem Chopra was arrested from his home because he was the owner of Ram Singh. Soon, Prem Chopra was released as nothing was recovered from him. He said that he used Ram Singh for household work and blamed the Super Robots Plaza. Ram Singh was called to the court to reveal the contents from his memory tape. Prem Chopra was shocked. He never imagined that even this could happen. Next day, the court was overcrowded. People were curious to see how a robot would reveal a crime. But Prem Chopra was not worried because he knew the robot would not betray his master. The case had started 15 days after the arrest of Ram Singh. But the counsel Goyal said as the robot was switched off after the arrest, it might be having all the information. After a series of questions, they heard to the memory tape. Every instruction was clearly heard, but it was blank at certain points. When it was asked about the person who gave the information, he replied that it is not to be revealed. He said robots don't disobey their masters. Counsel said that many people will suffer losses because of you. He again asked the robot to reveal the truth. Ram Singh got confused between the two principles that first one, robots don't disobey their master, and the second one, they don't harm human beings. In such a contradictory condition, Ram Singh preferred to diffuse itself and his system disintegrated. Salesmen of Super Robots Plaza confirmed its death. Proceedings went on and Prem Chopra was pleaded guilty. The robot was more human than the human beings. He did not betray his master, nor he wanted to harm any human being. He preferred to diffuse itself. So children, we should not think that robots can harm us. Sometimes human beings are more dangerous as compared to the robots. Robots do as they are instructed by human beings. So don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.